Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this Supreme X Jordan hoodie. So this is men's. Just got this in. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Wow. Let's check out the tag first. So here's the tag. Jordan hooded sweatshirt. Supreme. Dover Street Market, New York. All right. Oh yeah, there we go. Jordan X Supreme. Check it out. The tag. Got both the Jordan logo and the Supreme logo. Just got this off of StockX, so hence the StockX verified. All right, check it out. Cool. So this is front left. Nice kangaroo pouch. What's this? Some care instructions, I think. Show you, but this is the front left. Nice stitching, looks good quality. Check out the back. Boom. Wow. Very cool. Some paper here. Toss this. Feels a little lighter than Supreme hoodie, so I kind of like that. Not still thick, but not like as thick as my other Supreme hoodies. So yeah, that's it. Let me know what you think of this product in the comment section below. Hope you're all doing well and take care. Catch you in the next unboxing video. Later.